3 seconds. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern New Castle County in northern Delaware, southwestern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, western Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 8 p.m. At 7:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Landenberg, or 7 miles north of Newark, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Wilmington, Newark, Pennsville, Ellesmere, Kennett Square, New Castle, Oxford, West Road, Delaware City, Newport, Glenroy, Stanton, North Star, Glasgow, Bear, Tolleyville, Fort Penn, Wilmington Manor, Pike Creek, and Ashland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Chester and Delaware, and New Castle, Delaware. The severe thunderstorm warning for